Welcome, Ev's Outdoors. Today we're having a week's camp at Hatfield Activity Centre in Hatfield, not far from Doncaster. What we're doing all?
So we are camping with some more people today.
We've got friends coming for the week.
Josh and Jaden.
Josh and Jaden. I'll show you how set up. Here's the tent. Got a new addition, a new fridge, rocking the sticker, and my mate's sticker. Got something new as well. What are them all? Are you going to show them? The lazy loungers. Lay on it, show them how it works, fill it with air. Chill out, don't you?
Mason lazy.
And here's the outside, massive. There's my boss. Got the van blocking it. There's Mason, never talks, never smiles, doesn't like anything. There's Ollie, who's always annoying.
No, I'm not annoying, I'm cool.
And then I've got another one down here somewhere, hidden.
He's a noise.
There's a park.
Yeah.
Got on the side of the park, and you come to a massive field. There's the water thing, water activities. Through there. Come through here. Got a nice dog walking part. Through this gate, sorry about the wind. Got a massive field. There's horses over there. Run.
Ready?
Go on.
Huh?
Get more accurate.
Got to play for England, will ya? Jazzy.
Should I turn it off?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No. Get some grass. Get some grass, look. Yeah. Pull some grass.
That's tricky.
Yeah. Get some grass, Mason. Get some grass. It loves to Dry stuff.
I can't even put it out there.
Yeah. There's a baby one coming up.
I bet those 6 not much dry grass. Like the big ones.
Mom, maybe one. Feed it. Mom, feed the baby one as well.
Hey Ollie. Chop. Feed the baby on.
There we are, baby. Gonna stroke you. Stroke you. Oh, look at stroke you.
Might not like it, what's that bad boy? What's the nettles?
Yeah, baby.
No, it's not. It doesn't attack it. It's a horse. They're quite nice horses. Stroke it again. One more time. One more time. One more time. Stroke it one more time. That'd be cool. I'll give you 20.
I'm gonna give some to the big one.
Stroke it one more time. I'll give you 20.
The big one, big one, big one. I want to feed the little one. No.
The kids play Monopoly.
No. 1 and 9. 1 and 9.
Who's winning?
I don't know. Hey. You know it's me.
You're winning all.
Yeah, I'm winning.
Oh, yes, 7. No, 7.
They can play Monopoly.
Yeah, I'm winning.
Oh, I've got my phone on here.
Got the fire on.
Is that 6? Is it?
See him with the braided hair. Keo with his red head. That looks real bad on here.
If mine burns again, But how do we get them off there?
You just want to melt
You just put them between the biscuits and pull them off.
Ah. Oh God. Excellent.
Don't get it stuck to anyone else's.
Did I want to see that?
Oh!
It's on fire.
Oh!
That'll be right.
I was supposed to be with. I know. Oh.
Right, I've done it. I've done it.
Ah, it's that time.
Now what do I do?
Me too. I done it. I done it. I haven't done
Here,
it.
Jim, yours will be good enough in burning them. Yeah, let's put them in between here.
I do have 2 biscuits.
On your biscuit.
I'll give you them.
I do have my 2.
Bit crispy.
It won't slide off.
Where's my biscuit gone?
I passed through my leg.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Pull your stick. Yeah.
Put your biscuit on top and squish it down.
You need another biscuit? Where's the biscuits?
No, I said I only want to get one.
Alright, okay.
No, just right.
Squish it down.
It's not yours.
You ready, Leanne?
What's that me?
Let's do an extra small.
I got a medium. Extra small.
Let's like extra small.
Ah.
Yeah.
Right, go on,
You lot smile.
Smile! Because you won't ever see him again, because we're going to leave him in the water.
Is this that touchy nice, dude?
Yeah, you will do.
Well, if you get cold, Jane,
I was jumping in.
want to jump in now, but I'm thinking
Right, oh, let's push out a bit.
Hang on then.
No, don't listen. I'm gonna grab some water from the water.
We're drifting up.
Alright, Al.
You just jump in.
Do you know what we have to do in residential? At the start of our journey, right? We have to
the boat.
Yeah, Dad, jump here.
To use the lift.
No, but if I get in, I'll be freezing.
It's alright.
3,
2, 1, go! Good lad. You alright?
Cold.
It is a bit cold. You alright?
Well done.
You going in all?
That was good, that.
But it's freezing.
Yeah, you don't feel it when you get in, Ollie. It makes you warm after a bit.
Jump to help you in all. Ollie, jump to lower you in. Slowly.
Ollie,
No.
for a bit, it'll get warm.
Jane, want to get back to
Swim.
and I'll pull him in.
Swim.
But how do I get back in?
I'll get you in.
We'll get you back in, we'll pull you in. Jenny, where are you going? Sit there.
If you don't want to do it, you don't have to.
Oh, I just
Look at
dipped
me,
my
Al.
feet in.
Bubble.
They're not different from
Yeah.
Look at Jaden. What are you doing?
It's a
Ollie,
pain.
dip your hand in.
Jazzy.
I have.
Yeah.
We're gonna get it wrong.
What?
3, 2, 1, go!
Go! Whoa! Oh, cold.
Yeah.
I wanna come in with them.
Go on then.
Can I go
Here. Can Ollie go in with you?
Let him get his breath first, 'cause it's a bit cold.
Let him get his breath.
Jazzy, no. Can you get Jazzy in?
Jazzy, come on here. Jazzy. Yeah, get them mints.
You up?
You going in all? Keel, hold you.
I don't want to get hold.
Well, it'll have to go until you get in.
You must get all this so you get in all.
No. I'll
Well, then get in then.
It's so cold.
Right, Jazzy, sit down.
Got you.
Oh, if you get in real
I'll hold
fast,
you.
you won't feel it.
Is it too cold?
Ollie, you don't feel it.
Good lad, on your other leg. It's alright, we'll hold
Too
you.
cold. Sit. Too cold.
Can you hold?
Ain't it? It's lovely and warm, Jaden. Oh, it's it all coming.
Go on, Al.
Jazzy.
Ollie, 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 Ollie. Go on, kiddo.
Go on.
Once you're in, you're in.
Drop it, drop it, drop
It's
it.
alright.
Just a bit scared.
Okay, hold him while he gets in.
Jump to hold you while you get in. That keeps you up, doesn't it? See, look, he's just floating with that vest on. You don't go under.
You float about.
Right.
Come on, Ollie. Right, drop.
Right, go in, and if you want to get out, we'll get you straight out, yeah?
Keep hold of the boat.
Yeah,
Just lower
keep
yourself
hold
in
of
it,
the
but
boat.
keep hold of the boat.
Keep hold of the boat. Where you can book your toilets, where you can book your activities, or you can do it off your phone. Right, he wants you to try it, you press that. 1 minute, go on.
That.
No, that. Squeeze it in it, fans.
What?
No,
No.
squeeze it.
Yeah.
You do it all. Do it to yourself. You're not fanning there. Look, Josh is on the swing. Fall off.
Missed the swing.
Is Jaden going for it? Yeah, he is.
Go on, Jordan.
Yeah. Baby wabbits. Here's the bar area. The aqua park.
They're not on it yet.
Jazzy!
Oh.
I couldn't get it!
I can't think it because I'm watching it. Mason! Over here! Catch it all.
Oh.
Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back.
Oh.
Step back. Me and Jaden. Yeah, Ollie and Jaden now.
Ollie and Jaden, and then Josh is again.
Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back.
Here's your pot wash. Shower cubicle. One there. One there. Toilet. Heated towel rail. Very clean.
Send your message.
Any sense you just contact the boat hire stuff from conversation.
It's nice, and the chips are nice.
Well, we're on now. Did much recording. Just wanted to enjoy it. We had a couple of friends with us and their children. And it was my partner's birthday as well. So we just wanted to have a bit of fun. But what footage I did get, you'll see. But thanks for watching. Roll on the next adventure. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace out.